2, 1, 0, start.
You may never lose belly fat and get the abs of your dreams if you're lazy or too busy to work out. But don't worry, there is a possible angle to this. You see, nobody is busy enough not to find time to lie down and sleep. The concept behind today's workout scheme is to enable you to lose belly fat while on a regular position with as less strenuous movement as possible. This involves trimming those ugly abdominal flesh while you simply lie, like lying on bed before or after sleep. Though the exercises you're about to digest doesn't require you to visit a gymnasium or use any equipment, neither would you have to engage on those strenuous cardio workouts such as push-ups, planks, running, or jumping before you can shred fat. However, it's 100% efficacy proven, takes less time to execute, and it's entirely designed to be performed anywhere you can lie down. Since we humans usually find ourselves in a lying position such as in bed, or can easily take a lying position, that means we can do these workouts anywhere and anytime we please, therefore making it possible to execute 1 or 2 workouts on a regular basis, thus achieving the goal to lose fat eventually. The first exercise to engage is called Lying Alternate Straight Leg Circle. This exercise will be demonstrated for just 10 seconds in this video. Then, I'll show you the next workout which is important to perform.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it.
Upcoming workout. 3, 2, 1, 0, blast off.
Then any crypto hits go.
The lying toe taps is an excellent way to work out your rectus abdominis, also known as six-pack muscles, while lying down. To perform this workout, lie down on your back with your head slightly raised up and your arms joined or close to your body while your palms are facing up. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Raise your legs up a little, open half wide, then clap your toes together. Even though your legs are suspended in the air, try stretching and adjusting them towards the point where you feel the most contraction on your front stomach. And don't let your legs fall totally to the floor while on this exercise. This exercise will be shown for a few seconds in this video, then I'll show you the next exercise to do.
Tw 12 seconds left. Time off. Rest.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head.
Upcoming workout. 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
So you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay last.
The leg drop pulse may look simple and doesn't take much effort to engage on, but it's a great bodyweight core workout for the lower abs. To make this exercise very impactful, be sure your arms are not shifted from the straight up position. While you're lifting leg, aim towards touching it. And your leg must be suspended not far from the floor as it's dropping. Don't let it drop down totally.
Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
12 seconds left. Time off. Rest.
Just tell me that I can. Please say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots.
Upcoming workout.
3, 2, 1, 0. Go! Got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up.
Let me know in the comment section how often you work out and which country you're watching from.
Promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me.
Remember, as a beginner, you shouldn't approach any of these exercises too fast and hard. I recommend starting slowly, but increase gradually the intensity, duration, and frequency over time.
Just tell me that I can.
12 seconds left. You might regret if you don't see this next workout scheme.